Mate Trev, welcome. Today is Sunday, 24th of November, and it's a relaxing day today. Day of relax, taking things easy before I go back to work. Yes, and it's raining outside. It's only raining lightly, so it's nothing heavy, and it's humid. And of course, this is our last month of spring, so we're coming into summertime in December. Now we're going to have an eruption. We're going to have an earthquake. There's an earthquake coming. Sorry about that, Chief. I had to sneeze. Oh, I did sneeze. Yeah, that was a big blow, wasn't it? That was a big earthquake, that one. So, and now, of course, just over the weekend, yesterday, I went to Marysville and visiting the Stevenson's Falls. So that was great. I had a great day there today. Not the first time I've ever been to Marysville. So I did my filming there for Trev's Bushland Adventures. That'll go up next weekend, so check that out when it gets up on my YouTube channel, Trev's Bushland Adventures. And don't forget, check all the other videos that I've done throughout the year and well before then as well. So there's a lot of adventures, and I will be continuing in the new year as well. So, and of course, the next fortnight will be my last one for the year, my last adventure, and we're going to Mount Buffalo, back up to Mount Buffalo again, and that'll be part 6 of the Mount Buffalo experience, visiting the hump. So that's going to be quite interesting. So that'll be my last one for the year, and as I said, I will continue in the new year with more adventuring to do, lots of interesting places. So I'm really looking forward to that. So we'd have to have a break over Christmas time, so and everybody has to have a break and from filming. So anyway, and yes, so before I and also I want to welcome new subscribers to my channel as well. So welcome to my channel, and please follow on and check out all the other videos as well. So, and I have 2 new apps, messaging apps. I've been doing a lot of messaging lately, and well, welcome aboard to those who've been private messaging me, yes. And of course, we have Telegram. That's a messaging app. Get on there. And also WhatsApp. It's called WhatsApp. What's an app? I don't know why they call it WhatsApp. But anyway, check those out on my messages on those. And I have Instagram. That's another one I have, Instagram. So I send photos on that. So as well as Facebook. So I'm sort of getting to know other people and other good friends. So anyway, I hope you're having a great day. And it's a bit of a relaxing day here today. So yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do though. I'll have to do some more, play some more music too, sing some more songs. Would you like me to do that? Sing some more songs? Yes. And yes. Mate Trev, welcome. Today is Friday, 22nd of November. Welcome. What am I having? What have I got? I got a pizza. Yes. That's not. Pizza night, yes. I got a mini pizza. So this is good. Mini pizza. I don't want a big pizza because this is good for one person. Yes. And what else have I got in this? And I got some pancakes, little Dutch pancakes. Yes. And also a giant donut. A giant donut. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow. A giant donut. You can have different flavours. This one's got crunchy chocolate chips in it. Should be right, so we'll give that a go. We're going to do the pizza first. Cool. This is really nice. This is Hawaiian. I thought I'd try Domino's pizza tonight, so thank you, Dominos. Good. I've had my pizza, really nice. Now I'm just about to enjoy this donut. It's a big giant donut. Look at the size of the thing. Bigger than my hand. Yes. We'll give it a test. Taste test. Got a bit of a crunch in it. That is really nice. But the first time I've ever eaten a giant donut. It looks like a thin base crust. Probably made the same way as they use for pizzas. So they convert to a donut. There you go. It's lunchtime. Well, I'm having a bit of a late lunch, really. And what am I having? Yes. Well, I have these meals during the week, really. This is my main meal. I get what you call U-foods, and they come in packs, and you just got to put them in the microwave. They're ready-made meals. So, well, this one is a high-protein chicken bites and chickpea salad. So, this should be good. And I find these meals are quite good actually, because it's good for you if you don't have time to cook. So you only this is already made, and you just put it in the microwave. And a little bit of sauce as well. This has got a bit of sauce. I don't know what type of sauce, it doesn't say. And you just put it around you. Yeah. Look at that. Isn't that a good meal? Yeah. Chickpeas, mashed potato, and a bit of chicken bites. So this is going to be good. And just mix her up a bit. I'll try the potato and the chickpeas first. It's good. These sort of meals are quite nutritious. Try the chicken bites. This is not bad. This is a good meal. You get all different types of meals. And a bottle of water. This is good. What have I got in front of me? That's potato chips. I usually have those on the side. Just munch every now and then. That's not bad. And this is a good meal. Now I'm not going to finish this video. I hope you enjoy it. And I shall see you next time. I hope you're having your meal too as well. I hope you had a good day. Create harmony, peace. Bye. You never know what I get up to next. I might sing a song next time.